So in this problem, we have a triangle ABC. So this is our triangle ABC. It's given here that the angles are in arithmetic progression. Also, the ratio of the sides B over C is given as square root of 3 over square root of 2. So we need to find out the angle C and A. So let's first specify the sides. The side opposite to angle A, which is BC, we're going to represent it by the lowercase letter a. The side opposite to angle B, which is AC, will be represented by letter B in lowercase, and the side opposite to angle C, which is AB, will be represented by the letter C in lowercase. And we can also specify the law of sines. So the law of sines, it states that if we take the ratio of side A to that of sine of the angle opposite to side A, which is going to be A. So that is going to be equals to the ratio of side B to that of sine of the angle opposite to it. This is also equals to the ratio of side C to that of sine of the angle opposite to it. So this is the law of sines. Right. Now we will begin with conditions that are provided to us. It's given here that the angle A, B, and C are in arithmetic progression. So when they are in arithmetic progression, then B minus A must be equals to C minus B. Or I can say 2B must be equals to A plus C. So let's add B to both sides. So when we add B to both sides, we're going to get 3B equals to A plus C plus B. And this is nothing but the sum of the interior angles, which is 180 degrees. So that means the value of angle B is going to be 60 degrees. So we have found out the value of angle B. Now we need to find out the value of A and C. For this, we are going to use the ratio. Now we're going to use the ratio B over sine B. That's equals to C over sine C. Now we're already given that this ratio can be also rewritten as B over C equals to sine B over sine C. So B over C, this ratio is already provided to us. So we have square root of 3 over square root of 2. So that's equals to sine B. So B value we obtained just now, that's 60 degree over sine C. So let's solve for sine C. So sine C will be equals to square root of 2 divided by square root of 3 multiplied to sine 60 degree. And what is the value of sine 60 degree? So sine 60 degree is square root of 3 over 2. So that means we can cancel out square root of 3 and square root of 3. And this is going to give us the value 1 over square root of 2. So this is the value of sine C. So we know that since 1 over square root of 2, that's the value of sine 45 degrees. So that means sine C is for sine 45 degree, and equating both sides gives us C equals to 45 degree. So we have already obtained the value of C. We also have the value of B, which is 60 degree. Now using the fact that A is 180 degrees minus 60 minus 45, so our angle is going to be angle measure of A will be 75 degrees.